assigned us for a storage unit, and it's crazy to think that this is actually happening, but it's like $140 a month for a 10 by 15, and it looks plenty big enough, so I'm pretty happy with it. I like this storage place because it's gated, which means that people have to have a key to even get in. And yeah, so new crazy things happening. Time to move in with mom and dad. Hey guys, today I am packing because our house is sold. I just thought I would do a quick clip. Don't mind my face, it's really breaking out for some reason. Probably a little stress. But anyways, there is what I've got done so far. And yeah, it's crazy. I have a storage unit rented, and we gotta be out of here in a month, so it's crazy to think that we're not gonna be here in just a little over a month. So this is how I am doing my packing. I'm going to be using mostly containers, Rubbermaid containers basically, and I am labeling them with a small piece of colored tape, and I am going to be zip tying them so that they stay shut. This will also help when we're transferring them from here to the storage unit so the lids don't fly off, because we will be using the truck for some loads. So here I can show you, this is our little plan. Oops. And blue is Damien, pink is Michaela, green will be kitchen, miscellaneous is gray, and purple will probably be Kyle too, because that's the only colors that they had. I was hoping for bright colors, but I didn't want to spend a lot of money, so I just went to the dollar store. And right now I pretty much just have Damien's stuff. As you can see, all the blue there, that's all Damien stuff, and then a couple miscellaneous, which is Christmas items. So the rest of the office is trashed, but there is nothing in this closet anymore, if you can see. I don't think you can see. So there's nothing in this closet anymore. It's got to be swept out and all that, but that is one spot down. And then also over here, I've started working on, so that's a lot of the totes that were in there, and this, I'm so not looking forward to going through this stuff, because this stuff was all just thrown there when we were showing the house, because it just was like a catch-all for things that we didn't want out and about. So there's some camping stuff, a couple playpens, kids stuff, so all this stuff will have to go as well, which I hate because it's all stuff that takes up the most room and awkward, but anyways, it's got to be done. So yeah, that's what we got going on so far. All this stuff, kids stuff, will be packed up as well. I'm just trying to get the majority of the totes that are going in first ready to go, because it's all baby stuff, and I don't know if I've mentioned before, but I think I have. If we're building a house, I can't be pregnant, so all the baby stuff is getting shoved to the back, and then that way it won't be in the way of other things that we might need to grab in and out. So yeah, anyways, I'm gonna get doing this closet, which I've already like unpacked a few times and gone through, but it is completely packed, so I gotta start that. Okay, this is what I have done so far. Silver is miscellaneous, purple is me, red is Michaela, and Damien is blue. Although Michaela has all these totes to go still, so they're pretty equal. And oh my goodness, that's a lot of totes. I didn't even realize I had that many totes.